Today we are actually having an event here, International Conference on Sarawak ASEAN. Today we'd like to bring all the Siemens technologies to the people in East Malaysia, and then so everyone here can actually benefit from the technology that we are having right now. So we also have a lot of these display units on shore for our customer to have a first-hand experience to feel and to understand our products, especially on digitalization and MindSphere, and also on the significance of the IoT and towards all the technologies. Let's say, for example, if you're in the electrical industry, the electronics industry, even though in farming and such, because we are a technology provider, so throughout a very good know-how experience, we can actually guide them step by step. From the basic step, we can actually tell them the concept that they're getting, and then slowly from there we can understand what they actually need, and then we can custom tailor to them. And then after that, we can actually give them a lot of trainings, and then we train the personnel, and then we can actually move on from there. And beside that, we can improve from what they already have. And then throughout the long process, actually it brings a very good comprehensive benefits to everyone throughout the states.